Wow, this is boring.
I'm
Hey,
just
anybody
doing
got
my
any?
work. Doing
Yeah.
my work. You're looking at charts.
Anybody got anything they want to talk about? Because
Y'all can start
this
throwing levels at me if you want
this
to.
market. There you go. Let me throw some levels at Brian. Those of you that did do your homework every morning, do your prep
Show that
work.
you did your work. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's look at old MBT. See what we got going on. See what it looks like this morning. Down day. Hmm.
You can short it down to S1.
Ah, yeah. And you talking about MBT?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just about. I literally was just about to say you got a short setting up literally right now.
You can short it down to S1.
I'm gonna,
Totally short it down to S1.
I'm going to, I'm going to try that. I'll keep a tight stop on that right above, say 145. Stop.
That's something I haven't figured out yet.
140. That's a previous swing. 165 is a previous swing. So right there, I'll put it right there. All right, and my first target will be here. There we go. Small risk. Beauty of the micros is so cheap. I'm risking 19 bucks. Woo, hold me back. 20, 30 bucks with two contracts. Yeah, I did, Jim. I think 235 would be a good first target. I mean, not 235. 1, 2, 3. 815.
Yeah.
Sorry. No, 795. Even better. And then okay, S1's way down there. 235 would be a great first target, I think, if you want to hold it like a longer trade.
What? 235?
Yeah, S1's down at 485, so 320. I'm sorry, 3. No, 1 1. That don't make sense. 1 1.
I was gonna say, is your dad out?
Yeah, my dad is off.
All right.
That's weird.
Well, you're figuring out the data, Joe. Yes, 96 on the ES. So here's what I want to do. On the ES, I really like. If you guys are ready to go, let me go. If you guys are ready to go for the day, let's do some planning. All right.
There's 4 or 6, Jim. 4 to 6.
What's the question?
How many micros
Oh,
on the micro Bitcoin? 4 to 6 tick mic contracts. Depends on your your risk parameters. Depends on what your daily risk is.
all right. Here we go again. One more time. Yes, plan. I really like that 96 area, 95 area now, considering that our stop didn't get hit last night. So that's a good one. I like that on the buy side and the sell side, to be honest with you. Also like the 2 area at 02, 6702, 6703. Like that. Obviously, we are in a mixed trend environment here. By the way, I'm on my market analysis screen in case you don't know. A little mixed trend across the board. I mean, let's call it neutral. Let's call it what it is. Until we get out of that tight range on the top side or that tight range on the bottom side here of price action for the past Globex session, we're in a neutral market. I'm going to look at running tick century both directions this morning. I've already got it ready to go with 8 tick spacing. Actually may do that now. Let's see what that looks like. Not as big of a space as I want. Let's do a 12 tick spacing. That would cover pretty much all of it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. 12 tick spacing. I'm going to run 3 contracts, both directions, and starting off on the short side. Boom. There you go. Now we do have news at 10, so I'm expecting that we chop around in a tight range, just like it did earlier, until the news at 10. Let me turn off this chart trader here. Actually, that's fine. We can use a different chart. So, all right. So back to the 15-minute chart. That was an easy decision to make. So we're looking to get out of this Globex trap here, this tight range. In the meantime, pick a side. You want to trade short? Trade from that 15 to 17 area. It's interesting that moved because they really liked 17, 18. It was 18 before Tom and I found. And now the Globex session and yesterday afternoon said that they like 15.50 now. So we'll see what that brings to us. All right. Now with that being said, I know my voice sounds crappy today. All that traveling got me got to my throats. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that 15, 17 area on the ES. I probably won't trade it this morning just because of what the price action that's happened. I'll just look if it sets up properly, I'll do something. But on you can see it on the 15-minute chart. I don't typically like these little ranges, breakout little ranges. Those are usually big time traps for traders. So we have to have a good setup. I'll take a chance one time on a really good setup, a retest trade up here around maybe 15 to 16. But since they changed the level from 18, I'm not really sure. I'll just keep an eye on it. Let's put it that way. Again, above, if we can go above 20, 18 or 20 right now, it should really be right around 18. If we can get above 18 and stay above 18, got to be a buyer. We've just got to be a buyer. Real resistance today, probably 67.40, 67.45. Support today, I'm going to put it back down here around here. I'm going to keep it pretty tight actually, because if it breaks out of these areas, we're going to run all the way. So we'll go right around 90 as support and 45, 67, 45 as resistance. So 66.90-ish for support and 67.45 for resistance. I don't think we're going to touch the resistance there, but the reason I picked the 90 is if we go below 90, same thing as above 18, press the sell button. If it goes below 90 and stays there, press the sell button. Goes above 18 today and stays there, press the buy button. That simple. I would actually even go for another bull flag trade because that worked today as well. That would be something that I would be interested in if it breaks and stays above 18. That worked for me, so the bull flag trade did. So I'm gonna stick with that one. Not that it should be your first trade of the day, but if it happens and it's my first trade, I'm fine with it today. Again, most of you guys that are trading prop accounts, obviously you should be doing bull flags as your first trade. Wait for a proper setup or any kind of breakout trade. If you have a cash account, or you can do it micros, one of those two. But I would be looking at, and I'll draw it out for you guys in a minute, but I would be looking at some kind of flag up here, just above 18. Some kind of retrace back to 18 would be ideal. So basically what I'll end up doing is putting a buy stop in if that happens. I would like to really buy from down here. I would really like to buy from the lower levels of the Globex range here. And then obviously my levels haven't changed. I still like that 95 area to buy from today. And then again, that 90 area as support. I'll look at that as a last chance to buy something, but they've really sold below 95. So I'm going to kind of keep that 90 to 95 area as my don't trade, see what happens area. And we've been bouncing off of that same area during the Globex session too. So keep that in mind. So there's the ES plan. Basically, we're neutral now. We want to be buyers at some point. But really right now we're starting with a two-way market. Pick one side, longs or shorts, take those, and wait for proper setups. Trade with momentum. If you're newer or struggling in trading, make sure that you're getting good setups, meaning you're waiting for multiple points of confluence to make money on the trade, to get into the trade. And then obviously when you get into the trade, ask for stops or know how to manage your stops. All right, there's the ES. Same rules, same thing for the NQ guys. Really range bound, choppy. Same thing. Pop from one Globex small range to another. I would suggest being extremely cautious.
Yep.
In this area. That's all there is. Anywhere from 856, and now we did like that 856, 860 number yesterday. That would be the same as 18 on the ES. So around above 860, you're a buyer. You have to be a buyer on the NQ. Other than if you're scalping shorts like 77.26, stuff like that. But other than that, you've kind of got to be a buyer if you're looking for proper setups. And then I would jump on the gravy train with this one if it goes and stays below 100 points lower, 750. Short on MBT, man.
I told guys, take your targets off. It's a no lose. Hold on to it now. I hope you guys took it. We called it. Free money here. Hold this. This could get all the way down to
easy one.
235, 300, 11,300 ish. It could get down there.
I was like,
literally
okay, this is a good trade setup.
Yeah.
This is the kind of trade you want to take today, guys. Here you go.
Yes, sir.
Really simple. Turn the strategy off.
It's got a ways to go. This could go all the way down the bottom. So keep hold on to it.
Not a bad setup. It really wasn't. If you guys go to my trade screen.
Travis, I'm using a 100 tick, but honestly, I'm waiting for Brian to give me the levels. So don't.
I'm on a 21 tick right now, and it seems to set up pretty good. That's too low. It needs to be.
That's small.
That's way too low. I was testing slopes and stuff. That's why I have it on low tick. It's going to be somewhere probably between like 30 and 70 something.
That sounds about right.
That's the ones that look the best to me so far. I had a 30. I looked at a 39. I don't know. It's just using some random. Don't like to use, but 39 looked okay to me.
Stop on MBT. Where did you? Is it?
Well, I treated it like a normal trade setup for us.
65. 97. Yeah. You could put it there. That's good. You're good there, Jim. Give us some room. I mean, you should be in a no lose trade right now. Just
should be.
Yeah. Just leave it there and let it this thing could dump all the way down to the 300s or lower.
Here, look at my screen, guys. This is why our methodology can be traded. in
on
any
anything.
asset. The setup looks perfect. Stochastics,
Oh, late.
you got 89 Tendency like to run like that.
Yeah, I was in at 990.
I don't know if I need that final target now.
Just hold on to it. I'm telling you, this has got a ways to go. I wouldn't.
I'm going to use behind that last wick here.
Yeah, right there. That's a good area. Probably right around your entry, Jim, just a little bit lower. Just use Brian's stop.
865 is what I'm using. I don't know where Jim got in at. Where Jim get in at? Entries. Oh, not yeah.
Nice little trade.
Yeah.
It's a nice little trade.
100 points. 865 there, Jim.
Yep.
Oh, 885 is what I'm using. Sorry. 865 would work too.
Oh crap! I missed the short on NQ.
Got that? Yes, short. Anybody grab that with me? Do the. That's weird that it doesn't give me 3 buy orders. Todd, good job. Tick entry for the win.
Yeah, why is that off?
That's
is
weird.
Is it because it took profit?
It did take a profit on one, but it should put
it should reload it. Yeah.
Oh, gotta take a picture of that one then. It threw me off track of my NQ planning. Give me a second, guys. Give me some NQ levels, people. Do it. I only got one ES level given to me.
I'll be right back, guys. Be right back.
Gotta turn that off. I'm gonna send that in and see what was going on with that. There you go, Taylor, Tom, Todd. Good job, guys. No levels. Nobody's giving me levels today, huh? All right. Well, there's my ES levels. 860 above on the NQ. We got to be buyers. Some levels around here around 800. Again, I'll still like that level. Buying from there on the NQ. We had 826, 827, which just got blown through. I didn't arm my short. Should have armed my short on that. And again, as I said earlier, if we go below, I'm looking at a different number now, but 750-ish, but really below 730, 726 on the NQ, you kind of need to look at selling it big time. Other than that, same as ES, pick a side, long or shorts, trade it. Trade the setups you can see and that you know. Don't take every trade call this morning. We'll be calling trades, obviously, but make sure that the trade you're not chasing trade calls. You're taking trade calls that fit within levels you've already planned. Okay, if you haven't planned levels on your own, you're doing it wrong. my stop down to 830 on that MBT trade. There you go, Joe. That's perfect. NQ levels. You had to step away. Oh, okay, cool. So there's where I'm at NQ, guys. As we always take, look for the 26 and 77s. Trade from the levels. They're going to work today. Watch. Trade from your levels too. Your levels will work. Tom, believe in your levels. They will work. Another. So the YM finally decided to play ball with the ES and NQ and YM here, guys. A couple different things about it. It's got to really stay below 430, 400, 430 to be a seller on the YM. But really, the YM's been in a range for quite a few weeks now, a couple weeks at least. So I would be wary of this area back here on the YM. I'm on my market analysis screens if you guys want to switch to it. But anywhere from 700 down to 400, probably get decent swings, but be careful. If you get no new highs, no new lows, you're going to be a chop. You're going to be a breakout. You're going to be a chop breakout territory. So sit on the side and getting these setups from these levels. Megan called. Sorry.
Yeah, don't take anything I have because I have been distracted, so I'm not focused.
I like Megan's coffee. It sets up right.
Yeah, Megan said to take it.
786 short would work if it
I
sets
gotta
up
get.
right.
These people have terrible timing.
Oh yeah,
Right at the open, of course.
it's like the server at the restaurant comes up and asks you for
Right as you got food in your mouth.
right after you took a bite.
Right after you took a bite. That never fails. Let's see here.
Nice.
There's
How's the
a-
steak? A lot better if you didn't mess with me right now.
Got
Tick's
it.
week.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Hey, Tick's week. There was a money line on the ES guys. I was sticking to my guns on seeing if it push up any higher to give me the opportunity to go two directions with it. But now I've got to start looking. I'm really got to start looking for shorts now. You know, Joe, I didn't want to trade from that eight before, but we have this new data here, and I kind of like it a little bit. Maybe a decent little trade up here around 850. It's not my number one trade this morning. My number one is a buy off 96, but or a sell off of 16. Nice call, Megan. Nice call, Megan. Great job. Did anybody get a piece of that with Megan? Great call. That is awesome. That is awesome that you did that. That is really awesome, guys. I'm bragging on her, not me. I am a great trainer, by the way. I'm a great trainer, but Megan really did it. Megan put the work in. She's doing it right. Good job, Megan. And you're a great learner. You do well. You're doing a great job. You're doing a great job. If this breaks down anymore, now I'm torn because well, we got some good trades in. It's not like I've had a losing trade this morning, so that's good. Could have left the ES on the two directions, and it would have picked up another extra contracts on both sides. I don't know. Todd, did you leave it on? Let it run. I'm just curious about that. And Todd, we can. I've got a meeting today. Can we do a quick phone call today, or maybe to change it to tomorrow if you're around, Todd? Or just do a quick call, catch up today, and then push the real meeting to tomorrow? Tomorrow? Okay, cool. Thank you. Appreciate it, Todd. Appreciate it. Let's see here. Okay, I'm back to plan one. If it pushes back up to 7 if it sets up. All right, Megan, I'll do that. 77 short, anybody? I think I'm gonna get on board with that. I'm gonna go in at the market.
I like that.
I'm gonna go in at the market.
Tick Century, you can front run it with Tick Century.
Did.
This thing's gonna turn.
Either way, it's making me money.
Uh-huh. You should be in. If you want to wait, you can wait, but you could get in.
I'm still waiting to see if the ES is going to pop up here to give me the two directions for the martingale grid. If I can get a martingale grid up, yeah, I'd say it's 6.
There it is.
Yeah, I'm bored with that. Doing it. There it is. Profits on the queue.
Money, money. Chicken money.
All right. 4 for 4 this morning. Let's keep doing it. 3 for 3. 3 for 3 this morning. Let's do it again. Where's our we'll just let Megan call trades from now on, and I'll just take them.
That works. I don't have a problem with that.
This
Makes it much
is
easier for
tough.
me.
This is how I feel about that.
That was easy.
There we go. Oh, okay. You have the actual thing.
I have the actual button. Yes,
have an imposter.
I have a real button. You just have the sound. I have the actual easy button.
I thought it was a puff pastry and I accidentally ate it. So every time I burp, it comes out like that. That was easy. Nine for 10 o'clock news. 10 o'clock news. 10 o'clock news. Thank you again, guys. Hey, two great trade calls by Megan. Did anybody take those calls?
$19.99 on sale.
Nobody did Megan's calls. I took one of them. Easy. One. Good job. I think Taylor
Now
got
that
one
I'm
too.
ready to trade, it's going to settle into nothing
Chop.
land.
Chop slot.
Yeah.
Get some chop slot. No, we'll get some stuff after 10. I may even just wait to take another trade till after 10. Those of you on trial, if you're on trial with us, welcome to Liberty Trading Club.
Oh yeah, trials. Yeah, we got some new people in. Welcome. I am going to try this again, I think, for a little bounce. See if it does it. There it goes. Quick little scalp.
All right, I kind of have to do this, guys. I kind of have to do the Martingale grid here. So close to that 10 o'clock news. And 9:45 news. Let's wait. Let me just wait. Let me see what the news does, and then I'll do it. Let's see what the news does, and then I'll do Martingale grid here on the ES. Let's see, 4 contracts. I'm going to start at market. Let me look at this again. If it does stay there, that's probably okay for me. I can do that. Do it micros if you guys can't do the minis. Obviously, you don't want to do that. Let's just see what the news does right now.
That one.
Whole lot of nada.
Yeah, not doing much.
Yeah, you probably could see a decent little short up here. Go ahead and set that up before it runs up too far. That was a little too far up. Let me go ahead and start at the market here. All right. There's my scale in Martingale grid on the ES. Ready to roll. Now, you will probably end up with a sell signal. I didn't like this area earlier, Joe, but I do like it now since I looked at it and you mentioned it. So I still would like to see my sell signal come from that pivot up to 17, but this is not a bad area to look for a sell signal. Really not at all. Yeah, we got news at 10. I will close everything before the 10 o'clock news. I'll close it. I don't care if I'm down or up. I'll close it out before 10 o'clock news. Consumer. We'll see if the consumers have confidence.
Is there any confidence out there?
Do they have any confidence? Got the 807 short. Nice. Megan's just calling out banger after banger this morning, guys. She's trying to replace Paul.
Hey, come on, Megan. I have no problem with that. I will just sit back and listen and trade.
No kidding.
I'd make more money that way. Trust me. You know how many trades we missed just because we're on the mic?
No kidding. That's true. Hey, did anybody get the 807 short? We only talked about that like for 10 minutes this morning.
You're getting a
Anybody
long
other?
here.
She does. She'll do. There's another winner.
I'm
All
gonna
right,
try a
I'm gonna
long
kill this.
77 here.
I'm just gonna kill this in front of the news, guys. I know we could sit here and let this grid probably
Time
pick
is
up
it?
a few more trades, but I'm just a little weary in front of the 10 o'clock news, so I'm gonna wait. After 10, we'll try that again. I'm just gonna leave it alone. Let's keep my streak alive this morning. 4 for 4.
Good Crable day.
Oh yeah, Crable, guys. And with the news.
Mhm.
All right, Crable. I'm down with Crable. I'm down with it. Let's do it. Good call. Good
It
call.
was a good range. We got the news. Probably going to bust it.
All range. Crable low would be 99.25.
Same on the NQ too.
Yeah. High would be 975. So 99.25, 975.
30, 830, 75. Looks like on the top end, which is more likely to be hit right now.
I lost my. This is about to aggravate crap out of me.
Yeah, Lawrence, we got to get her on the mic. I've been trying to get her on the mic.
She's done a couple premiere sessions and does good. Really,
I'm telling you, she's yeah. The Ladies of Liberty, get her and D Nice and Lulu.
So 740 on the low side, and
you talking about yes, NQ 830 75 on the high side, 830 831 actually.
Yeah, so 832, and then on the low side, 740, 741,
41.25. Yeah, 741 and a quarter.
I gotta be honest, I don't worry about the ticks with NQ.
No, not the NQ. It's not, so you don't have to be so exact.
I worry about actual points on the NQ. Okay, I can get down with that. I'll do both of them.
What time is it? 9:40. We got 10 minutes.
Yeah, Megan's good on the mic, guys. Really good. There was your short, but it didn't set up perfect there, Joe. I'm assuming you passed on it, right, Joe? On the ES short? We did talk about it, guys. Did anybody grab the ES short on that one? I mean, we talked through it for a hot minute. And I took it with 6th Century.
6th Century. It's sick. It's sick how good it works.
All right, well, I got it. You passed. I figured that's a good pass, Joe. That's okay. Yeah, I mean, realistically, with what we talked about, Joe, you've got all day long to get 4 trades in. That's it. All day. If you get four trades in an entire day, with some patience and little apple pie. Okay, if you guys are still in on the short, you probably want to look at a stop at 525 on the ES. Tom, 525 stop on the ES. Anybody still in that short? Anybody at all still in that short on the ES? Nope. Okay. Oh, good. Well, you got a good stop at 525. Good stop, man, at 525. All right. I'm really keen on this Crable here, guys. 9 above 950 on the upside, below 99.25 on the downside on the ES. I'll jump in either direction, whichever way it goes on the news. Got to be honest with you. I'm not gonna hesitate on that one, guys. I am all about that brace. That brace. All about that Crable breakout. People, again, those of you on trials, welcome. Right before the news here, real quick, let me run through this real quick with you guys. Those of you that are on trial with us, please go to my TS Tick Trade Screen. TS stands for Trade Screen, not Tick Century, even though I've been asked about that. It is not Tick Century, it's the Trade Screen. It happens to have Tick Century on it. Anyway, if you're new to us on trial, please log in to libertytradingclub.com. Go to, keep an eye on the markets here on another chart on another screen. Go to libertytradingclub.com, log into the members area. There is a black bar across the top here that says to request a call with the coach. We'll be happy to chat with you.
That'd be
Get
me.
you going with us. Coach Paul will definitely help you with that. We have a nice little saying here: you can suffer through the pain of discipline or suffer through the pain of losses. We are very, very, very patient traders. We plan, as you saw this morning, we plan our levels out in advance. We have levels that we want to trade from planned out in all the asset classes that we trade. And so you can experience those levels. If you're on Ninja with us, you can experience those levels yourself. They will get updated for you every single day. Or you can get on Twit Instagram or something like that. What is it called?
Telegram. Twistagram. Twit. That's what it is.
Instagram.
Twistagram. No, Telegram.
So Telegram, yeah. If you're not on Ninja, get on Telegram. You get our levels every day. If you're on Ninja, please download some of our toys. We have Tick Century, which you saw us take a couple trades on.
All our toys.
Yep.
Take advantage of it.
Play with them. Tick Reversal. I usually get one good trade off that a day, one or two. So that's a tool to have.
Justin, dude. What's Justin?
Live trade room. You're in here now. I gotta get through this. Come on. Before you.
Sorry.
And not you. It's just funny. I'm mostly saying to Justin. Don't laugh at my jokes, Justin.
Here we go.
Right.
Jeez,
We have partner offers. It's not even 10 o'clock yet.
Oh.
Chill out. Today at noon Eastern, we're going to have class. We're going to have a quick class today at noon. It'll be really good for you guys to show up to in the elite room. So plan on being there. And then if you scroll down at 1 p.m., we will be trading at 1 p.m. in our Premier Clubhouse. And then below that, after market close, our members do a meetup for trade reviews and just talk about how they did that day. And if you want to get up to speed with us, go to the elite class replays here at the bottom and start finding levels. Go down to trailing stops and trade management. We do have a weekly calendar down here and a mobile app, so you can stay with us on the go. We do a lot of activities. We have a lot going on during the week because we want to trade and make money doing it. All right, guys, there you go. If you're on trial, please just chat with us. We'll help you out. All right, I'm looking at this Crable.
55, 4 more minutes still. 4.5 minutes. Last day of the third Q, so this should be a fun day. Yeah, aren't they talking about government shutdown too?
What?
Didn't I read that somewhere? Possible government shutdown.
Oh yeah.
That ought to make it a little bit wonky.
I got my Legion letter that said, what will happen to the troops if the government shut down?
Until nothing, they'll just keep on working.
Yep. I know that. I'm like, come on.
Escuela. School.
Escuela. And
so these levels are working well right now, guys. You should be trading these today. These things are.
I'm waiting until after news to take another trade, but
well, after news we need to start trading them again because they're working well, much better than yesterday. Yesterday was a good day to let the levels break and then back through.
Today
today's Tick Century day. You can front run the daylights out of these things.
Because it's just
much nicer market, Megan.
Huh?
Megan said it's a much nicer market. I said, yeah, It's a much nicer market.
Oh yeah, yesterday was tough. Yesterday was tough. Well, there were some good opportunities. Don't get me wrong, there were some good opportunities, but I was happy walking away with a small win yesterday. That was like one of my lowest days in a long time too. What was it? 381
Yeah, it's
total
something
for
like
the day.
that.
I'm already at like 9. A little bit right at 1,000 already today.
Shoot, missed a long on MBT.
I'm just gonna wait until after the news to take another trade, guys. Garfield. A couple minutes till the news.
Man, that's a short right there, but can't take it. Just can't take it. Yeah, that's what I just said, Isaac. It looks like a good short right here, but it's just too close to the news. I can't take it. It's against my rules. And it probably will work out. Yeah, you talking about front running the news, Manny? Oh, probably. I was talking about front running the levels.
Oh yeah, people.
There's big difference there.
I'm not front running news. That's why.
No, I wouldn't front run the news. No.
Saying,
Oh, what does that mean?
we're watching a friend's dog.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, she told me.
He's a little skittish.
She told me that. The dog agrees. Come on, news. 30 seconds.
30 seconds. All right. We will. I'll go through the news trade if it works. If it, I'll.
Anybody here got Lilu accounts? Funded Lilu accounts?
I don't even know what that is.
It's just another company.
I'm just joking.
The reason I say that is because they got a
Let's go news.
really good special. Used to. Yeah, I still have 3 PAs with them. Here, my first PA I ever passed was with Lilu. I still have it. All right, that was it. That was news.
Says up. Let's see if that lasts. Not.
Come on back. Down. And then come on back down at 77. That would be that's a possible buy there.
From 77?
Mm-hmm.
Probably. I'm just a little bit more patient here. I've had a good morning, so I'm not gonna take it. You call it an NQ trade, I'll take it. I'm gonna look at it. Yes, here. I think I still like this 2-direction play on the ES, especially considering that the news didn't really do anything.
Come on, give me something down here that would make sense. Nope, she's not. It's right in my zone too. So
94.
Oh, there we go. Now we're getting. That's a long. Oh. It's a long, Isaac. I can see it. Come on, break above there. Go. Come on. You know you want to. There you go. Good boy.
77. Oh,
A Coach Brian Buy program.
what?
You're going to sell it? Okay. I'm fair with that. I think it's going to break through here, but you could be right.
The Coach Brian Viper. I don't even know what that means, Manny.
You might be right there, Isaac. Between you and I hope you're wrong though, because I'm long.
I'm getting more interested in the short on the ES here too. Let's see if that happens.
Yeah, Crable's looking real good, Michael.
Yeah,
this is definitely looking good today.
Yeah, take the guys. Take the Crable. I'm gonna take the Crable. Let's just put it that way. I'm going to take the Crable.
Come on, baby, break. Boom. There we go. That's a trade now. Anybody go long? 30-minute range, high and low.
Yep. Yeah, so it's a break
long.
of the 30-minute range.
Taylor, you're long. Good job. 2 people. That's it.
No, how many times did I say I was going to do the Crable on the ES?
Thing is, I might be long at the Crable already. Be nice.
You
long ES. Okay. And the dog. The dog's long too. Isaac, I take it you didn't go short, right? Or did you count that as a double top there? Yeah. Okay. I didn't want to go against you, man, but I was long, so. Yeah, correct.
What?
The double top never formed.
Oh, no. Sure didn't.
Come on, give me something. Keep going. Ooh, sellers.
I'm still thinking that 2 directions on the ES here. Still thinking that, even though it just peaked above the Crable.
Sellers.
Yeah, somewhere between, I like 806 to 810. That actually is the area that I said I would sell from, 806 this morning. So yeah, I knew I had to sell this. I knew I had to sell it. I'm not interested in 2 directions now on the ES. I don't think anymore.
You got another long form in here on the NQ for those of you that didn't get the first one. Wait for that hook. There you go. 77 was valid. Got it on the ES. Okay, fair enough. Anybody take the NQ? Sorry, I didn't call that. I was busy watching my trade. Michael, you got it? Okay, cool. Somebody got it.
I'm on the short side now. Just so everybody knows.
It's going to dump now. That was just a scalp. That's all that was.
Just to make an announcement. ES, NQ both. I'm going shorts. Going for the shorts.
I don't disagree with that. Not now.
Anything that pops back up on the NQ, I think I'll load up on the short side. You just say when, Paul. And on the ES, I'll call the short here, guys. I'm no longer interested in the grid. I don't like the price action. This is the kind of price action that will bite you if you're running a martingale grid.
Big time.
because it's going to pop out of this silly range at some point. And
Where's PBR today? You in here, PBR?
we had our chances on the grid earlier.
Nice, Paul.
Good job, Paul.
That's a day,
Good,
brother.
bud.
You're done, man. Good job.
Good job, Paul.
You know, I got a really, really good email from Joshua yesterday.
Oh, really?
Oh, he's doing great.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Joshua is our first premier member. And he
Oh, yeah.
You remember that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was always exciting to hear. I love it when people email me, tell me they're doing good. Coaches, I couldn't do this. Ah, well, good job, Paul. We're definitely proud of you, man. You're definitely getting more consistent, aren't you? Because you're following the rules. I mean, I'm not going to go
Nice
into my
job,
rant.
Paul.
I won't rant today, but I say it every single day, guys.
If he does go on a rant, I'll sponsor it by like Reese's peanut butter cups or something.
I mean, we overcomplicate this, man. Just calculate your risk daily, master one or two of your entries, and just stick to your plan. Don't deviate from your plan. Don't take trades because of FOMO or anything else, or because everybody in here's, how many times does Brian say, "Oh, it's long," and I'm like, "Well, it's not my plan. I'm not going to take it." And he's right, and it is a winning trade, but I stick to my plan. Telling you, just if you could just get that in your head, change everything. Promise you, change everything. Definitely shorts though, but this has got to get lower and come back up. At least NQ. I don't know about. I'm not even looking at the ES, but
here
I got an area down here. Brian, 41 to 32. Is that you agree with that?
What? Say
on the NQ?
732.
741 to 32. Yeah.
Yeah, that's Megan had level there too.
Does she? Okay. All right. I must have missed that.
She was putting them in as why you had to step away. Anyway, short on the ES, your stops at 6 even now. Anyway, great job, Paul. Great job.
Yeah, definitely good job, Paul.
Paul, these guys, Megan, Joe, Paul, Tom.
It's funny what an in-person does, right?
What? What's that?
It is funny what an in-person does for your.
It can change things a lot.
Mm-hmm.
A lot.
Look at Joshua. Speaking of Joshua, look at Joshua. Game changer.
Yeah, I mean that's really it. You know, just doing it in person isn't enough though. You've got.
Oh no, you got to put in the work.
Yeah, do the work after the fact.
Yeah, no, I didn't mean it that way. No, there is no shiny nickels or miracles. I mean, this is all hard work and just grit. You got to study, practice.
Yeah,
it's hard. I always say it's the hardest easy money you'll ever make.
That's true though. That is so true.
Everybody says, "Oh, it's easy money, right? Just put on a contract, make $1,000, you're done." Yeah, well, that's the hardest easy money you'll ever make.
Well, I mean, again, yesterday, and you got to be disciplined enough to walk away on a day like yesterday. Like I was happy with my $308. I'm up.
Me too. I don't even want to tell you, mine was less than that.
I'm up almost 1,300 so far today, and yesterday was 300, less than 400. So
come on down.
You have the discipline to be happy with that.
Here you go, Brian.
What's that?
Now you're getting set up.
Short.
Well, not yet, but yeah, now you can if it gets up there.
77?
Yeah, right at that money line too. It's about to cross, so it looks like.
I'm trying to decide if I want a front runner or not.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. If I want to use tick entry or not. The only thing is the stochastics is wonky.
I know.
I'm
gonna have to do that the market now.
I'm gonna try it.
Let's see here.
Try a little front run, see what happens.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do it.
That was quick. No,
that was quick.
That was.
I mean, and I'll be okay. Megan called the 86 short earlier. That worked great. So, why couldn't we do that again? What was it earlier this morning? She had that 786 short. It's perfect.
There you go.
Everyone,
money.
Make your money before that.
Anybody? That was really quick, so I wouldn't blame anybody if you'd missed that.
I'm okay with it.
I was waiting for the 77, but we didn't get it.
That one. That was easy money. Ah, and you want to stay in that one too. New stop on the ES here in about 3 ticks.
This the 86 short if it sets up.
Hey guys, if you hear guys in the background, they're doing a custom closet for me. So
I just don't think it's 786.
they might be asking me some things and stuff.
I don't know that you,
PBR.
I don't know that you get up there. PBR, man. I was just asking about you.
Nope. You're not
trade
getting
anything
that
today?
86. This thing's about to dump.
I don't think you can get up there, Megan. I mean, you might, but I just don't think you will. And then you got
702. 700's been okay. The 702 to 703 was way better.
Go ahead.
Well, I'm so convinced of that I would even do a bear flag down around 96. Just like I was going to do a bull flag on the top side this morning. I'll do a bear flag if it falls below 96. But again, I've built up some risk capital this morning, so I'm not that worried about it. New stop on the ES, 450, 4.50. New stop on the ES. Anybody's in it. Good job,
Nice
PBR.
PBR. Dang, man. Micros? No. Serious?
Nice.
$700, $500 micros?
If he says yes, that's awesome.
Dude, if that's in micros, that's insane.
Great job.
That's just awesome. Absolutely awesome. He's another one. There's another shining example of a thick-headed old man that wouldn't take any, which stubborn as could be. And now look at him. Oh, he's still stubborn.
No, NQ
old,
4, 5, 7. Everyone else uses MNQ. Okay.
Okay.
Nice. Good work there, bud. Good work.
All that bourbon drinking's paying off.
It's tempted to look at a money line short here on the ES, guys.
Nice, Justin. You too, man. Look at you guys.
There you go, Justin.
All right. Well, you don't need us. Let's just,
you guys doing
do your
good.
thing.
Nice job, guys. Where are the ladies of Liberty at? Chime
exactly,
in with your
man. Ladies, throw some numbers up there, people. Ladies.
No charts? You guys see my charts, right?
I see charts.
I see charts.
I see
All
dead
right,
people.
Todd, you got to
charts.
refresh your room, bud.
I see dead charts.
I see dead charts.
Okay, you could. It's coming up to
interesting.
Megan's level. The only thing about that level, Megan, is if it gets up there, then you got to worry about it getting all the way up above.
It's got to build some structure and sell off.
Yes, exactly. Thank you. That's what I was trying to say. Just it didn't sound as professional as Brian. But I was thinking that.
I don't know if what I say is professional, man. I just say what I think should be said.
Neither one of us, you or I, we wouldn't win any awards for the technical lingo. Hey, but we can trade. I don't care.
Hey, this little widget over here works good when you trade it that way.
Yeah, I may not sound professional, but I promise you, my P&L don't mind.
I'm getting interested in a short coming up here on the ES, people. It's got to look the right way for me. Got to look the right way. I don't like the way the Stochastic is looking. So
I don't like this. We're in the choppy area. Be careful with this 77 if anybody's thinking about it. If you didn't already take it, if you already took it, you would have won. That was a winner. Yep.
Again, I would be fine scaling into a short, to be honest with you. All 3 longer term trends are down, by the way, now, in case you guys didn't notice. All 3 longer term trends are down now, which is getting me more on board with the shorts. Yeah, I think I kind of have to start looking at that, don't I? I might just scale into the short. I got to be honest with you guys. I think that would be an easy way to go about it. Let's look at this. I mean, you'd almost definitely get targets. Yeah, I got to do it. I convinced myself here.
Where ES?
Yes. Because the last contract I have at 12 ticks is going to put me exactly at where I wanted to sell from earlier. I did 4 contracts. Do it in micros if you can't handle the heat.
Yes.
If you also are in a prop account, I'll call the proper trade setup. We're going to look up here where Joe said earlier. So up here around or no, I think this was this Joe. Was this your number earlier? 11, 12? Who gave me that number? Somebody gave me 11 and 12 earlier. Who was that? And I said I liked it from the pivot up to 16, 17. What was that? Oh, you were at 08. That's a little low. That's a good one for you to go back and look at, though. Why the 08, you had 08, 06, something like that. Why those aren't as strong as the other levels that I had. Go, and I'm going to give you a hint. You're looking too much at Globex. Too much at Globex data. The short's going to be coming here in a second, guys.
It's already.
It's gonna be a little bit bigger of an M, I think, but or it could be one of those big first leg and some chop to sell. One of those two will be a decent little sell signal. Oh, nice PBR.
Nice.
15 on the range chart, Taylor. I think I kind of want to put a stop in on this and let it run to the south side instead of having a target on the ES. If you followed me on the ES, kill your tick entry, take your target off, put a stop in. I'm gonna go buy stop at 975 right now and shove this into profits. $86 again. Oh, there we go, Michael. Isaac, good job. Got 91.75 short and good job.
Got 91.75 NQ short. Nice.
Good job, guys. All right, it's gonna get my stop now. Oh well, still a good trade. Go down. There you go, guys. I mean, so today is a testament to why you, if you get, and I had a conversation in Premiere with Megan yesterday, and you guys should listen to it. She kept asking me questions about price action. I was like, just don't trade it. Just stop trading this market. Don't do it. And we just sit there and talk for an hour and said, all right, we're going to leave. No, not losing on a trade is better than.
I talked to, it was yesterday. Yeah. I had the same conversation with Michael yesterday. Just this was one of those days where you got to know when not to trade.
Trading.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So many people will keep pushing it. And
when you come back, when you know that when you come back tomorrow, you have your odds are way in your favor. Way in your favor.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm gonna be done for the morning after this. I gotta be honest with you guys. I'll do some chit chat with you. I don't know if I'll take another trade. I mean, if something sets up perfect, I'll take another trade. But it's crazy. Yeah, look. Hey, let's go, drop. That was easy. Oh, there you go, Isaac. Good job. Juan.
Nice, Isaac. Here you go, Juan.
Good job, guys.
That was easy.
There you go, Juan. All right, let's see. 8,
Boom, up she goes.
6, 6 plus 6, 14, 20. There you go. 1450 so far this morning. 1450, 86. Couldn't even scratch out $400 yesterday.
It looks like it's trying, Joe. Looks like it's trying. I'm gonna tempted to short
Isaac.
Nice, Isaac. Short the yes.
On the double top?
Yeah.
Okay.
I took it. I had
I'll
to.
do it with you.
I had
I'll
to.
do it with you. There's a target.
Yeah. Target's off. Free trade. Did you take it, Joe? You called it, buddy. I took it off of you.
Stretch. Joe's the one that called it.
Joe, you please tell me you're in this trade.
Target's off. Thank you for the trade, Joe.
Cool. Good job, buddy.
Trade.
Nice.
There you go.
Guys, y'all are killing it today. I'm happy. I got a big smile on my face. I haven't been able to trade much, but I have a big smile on my face.
I got
love
2
it.
targets. That was pretty good. I was in late too.
Love it, love it, love it, love it.
7 for 7 on trades this morning. Thanks to Joe and Megan. Stay in, baby. 2
Yeah,
targets
today's
off.
we're calling today Member Day because you guys are the ones calling the trades.
Officially, now I'm going forward. 9:30 every year is Member Day.
That's right. 9:30 is Member Day. Members call all the trades on
And that's
9:30 every year.
special because it's 9:30 because that's the time the market opens too.
That's right. 9:30. Look at that. See, worked out.
Hey, there we go.
We
That was
still
planned.
have-
We
hey.
planned that.
We still got the Crable in play on the NQ if it ever gets down there.
Tom, if you're out of that trade, Tom, and you move your stop wrong, boy,
Ooh, Tom, you're gonna get in trouble, dude. You should not be out of the trade.
Oh,
Nobody
Tom.
should be out of that ES trade yet.
please say you're in it. Don't jump back in.
I mean,
either.
unless you got in super, super late, then I could maybe understand.
Tom's not home. Okay, he
Tom's
knows.
not home.
He knows.
What? It's going. Can't hear you. It's static.
I
No,
would-
no,
You're
Lawrence.
chasing
No,
at this
Lawrence.
point.
You're too
chasing this
late.
trade
Too late.
now.
It was at the double
Tom-
top when Joe said it.
I'm gonna mail Tom a letter. I'm not even gonna
10:30.
yell at him over the mic. I'm gonna mail him a letter with some some
Yeah, don't
very
don't
harsh
chase it.
words. Dude.
You'll get another one, Lawrence. Don't worry. Just be patient.
Ugh. Smack yourself on the wrist, Tom. No, Juan, Joe made the call. Tom got out of the trade too early. He's in trouble for that.
Where are you sure? Where on ES or YN? I mean on NQ, Megan. What am I calling stops for? NQ. Where are you in at? You took the double top on NQ also?
I'm assuming she did double top on the NQ as well.
I would be. I don't know your entry, but maybe around 86, 86.50.
That looks about right.
And then if it breaks down
That
here,
looks
you
about
could
right.
you could jump it. You could keep it. You could put it right above the 80, 89. If it breaks down below here.
And everybody that's in on the ES, follow my stops, except for Tom. Don't follow my stops. Oh, wait, he's out. He's not going to make as much money as we do. Okay. We got a new stop. Tom. Oh, sorry, y'all. Let me throw it over here. I'm going to use this last little wiggle up, one tick above that. We're at 7 even on the stop. 7 even on the stop. That should be a decent little stop for us. And I'm
Hey.
going to leave it there. I got to be honest with you guys.
There's my button.
Just to rub it into Tom, I'm going to leave my stop there until we break the lows and this run turns into a Crable short.
That's right, Isaac. That was easy.
What?
It's easy.
That was for. He's got my button there.
Look at this, guys. We planned this level around 800, double top on the NQ. I can't remember who gave me the level on the. Oh, we're flat on the ES. Never mind.
No, you're not flat on NQ yet. If you had your stop right where I told you to have it, it's probably going to take you, but it held. Don't do it. Come on, break down. You know you want to.
All right, Tom, you
Hey.
got to replay this double top and stay in the trade and do it right after we close the main session.
Come on down. Ooh, how was that for a stop, Megan? Came right up and kissed it.
Nice. Nice. Good job.
Nice, Joe.
Nice, Megan. Good job, guys.
We're still in the NQ if it hasn't taken us out yet, but I don't have a whole lot of faith in it right now.
Yeah.
I would go ahead and move your stop down to probably just 84 and a quarter because you're just going to save a few ticks. I think it's going to get you. If it breaks below the 89 again, then you're safe. Lock in some profits, Megan. It's a good trade. Well, hold on a second as I say that. Look at that. I would still tell you to lock in some profits. I don't think this has a lot more in it. Maybe just above. I mean, 80, yeah. That's going to get you. You're out, or you're going to be out. I mean, real stop is 84 and a quarter, but I think that's going to get taken.
We'll get some good stuff from
There you go.
Cash.
Flat. There you go, Justin.
We'll get some good stuff from Premier for Cash, Justin. Sure of it.
Yeah, me too.
What?
I was thinking about what Justin posted earlier.
Oh,
Wrong.
I was going to make a Bluetooth device that I was going to call that. You can only imagine the functionality.
Yes, I can.
So I just don't think the shorting's over, guys. I don't think the shorting's over here. Not saying jump in right now, but I don't think it's over.
I was going to say I would be a little hesitant.
Doesn't look like it's over.
Yeah, you're out, Megan. Take a break, Megan. That was a good trade. Let this thing see what it wants to do up here. So he wants a triple top. I just don't see anything that would lend to.
Right.
Oof.
Kids to school. See you on Premier. All right, buddy. See ya. Counts green. Nice.
See you, Justin.
Good job, Justin.
Mm,
I don't know if we're going to do much more here, to be honest with you.
there's your short if you're going to take it, Megan. I
Oof.
am not
Now?
sold on a short.
No, not now. Not
If
after that first
anything, I'd like to see a break up,
backup.
like a break above this
Yeah.
809.
I'm starting to think my original plan here, guys. Go
But
both
you might be all
directions.
right, Megan. You might be all right. I'm not gonna talk you out of it if it's in your plan. And you see it there, and that's a level. Have confidence in your level. Take it.
There you go. I'm going to go back to the original plan on the ES here.
Grid style. Open grid style.
Let that play out for a little bit. All right, let me do a mandatory coffee break. We are at 10:30, but I don't know where we're going to reverse to in this market, except for back to neutral. I mean, this should be neutral. We're in a neutral market. Let's call it what it is.
And you're setting up for a push up. I think it's
Yeah, I mean, that'd be fine. Get a little push up. You're still within a range here on the NQ as well. I mean,
yeah.
you pick
That
both
is true.
sides. Pick a side of that range.
There you go, Megan. Your call was right.
Again, another one.
Megan's calls are always right. I should know not to go against Megan.
Three wins. There's a target off on the ES.
Good job.
10 for 10 on trades this morning.
Yeah, Megan. You know what?
All right,
You're getting good at your levels. And take your trades. Have confidence in them. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that.
I'd love for you to get along from there, Stretch. From 99 to 6,700, that put me in the long too.
ADP non-farm. Nice, Lulu. Lulu, I can't speak. Lulu, you've been quiet as of late.
She's had a lot going on. She's had a lot going on.
Not used to her not talking.
I know. When she's not talking, you're like, ooh, hold on
Yeah.
a second. Should I call her?
Something's off with the universe when Lulu's not talking.
She's had a lot going on.
All right. I'll cut you some break then.
It was
Battling
punting 1 week,
termites.
termites next, people sick 1 week. They've had a lot going on. Oh, I didn't go down and get my limit order. Go get it. Go get it. Put me long one. I think you might get that trade, Stretch. That 6,700 long, guys. It might be setting up in front of it. This is right around that 2 level that I said I wanted to buy from earlier.
Oh no.
What?
I'm looking to what Lulu's writing. Guys, you could be getting a setup here on the.
Oh. It might be, but that pop down scared me a little bit.
Well, I actually kind of like that little.
The push when it pushes like that.
Yeah, because
Oh,
it
for
usually
77 long.
usually reacts right off of there.
Do that.
There you go.
Take that with you.
I'm not saying it's a reversal or anything
really
like that.
No, but I like that. I like that trade.
There you go. Target off.
There it is.
Yeah. Anytime you see the NQ do that like that, I know that scares you, but that's usually going to bounce.
Take my profits.
Quick little scalps, easy money. Yeah, take your profits. Yeah, don't. This isn't going back up or anything. This is just a nice.
I mean, yeah. Just rocking out the ES grid here. Lulu, nice job.
Look at that. Jeez. Y'all are awesome, man. This is awesome. I'm having fun today just watching everybody else post their P&Ls. Don't even think about it. Who cares about me?
Yeah, your insurance will cover it. Just burn the house down. Michael's got a great plan for that.
It's great. Let's just talk about it here. It's being streamed on YouTube too, so why not?
Stream live.
Let's just talk
We're
about
talking
arson.
arsenic.
Arson live. Why not? Okay,
The new show, Arson Live.
Arson live. There we go. Liberty Larson Club.
Liberty Larson Club. And YouTube's like banging us for every
We're
time we
all
say
going to
Larson.
jail. Every one of us.
Bomb, 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 bomb.
Fed's gonna show up on everybody's door. They're done. Y'all are done.
Johnny Arson. Oh, and goodness new. We rebuilt Cedar. Nice.
Oh, you want to come up here and help me with my trim piece? I got dry rot on the outside of this house that needs to be fixed. And that is not my strong suit.
You might be getting it now, Stretch. I think I'd like it better around 96 because that's where I want to buy from anyway.
Whew, that's some heat. Well, not for you, it's not heat, but someone else. I'm saying that's some heat down there from where you're at, but that's not a lot for you.
Here's the way I look at it. I'm up so far up 17, almost 1700. So I got a little risk capital to play with this one. And I'll risk $1,000 on this trade. I'm okay with that. Fuel-free generator. Oof, it's not looking fun though. I thought they were done with. I thought they were good with. I'm gonna sell on a different account. All right, go back up now. 795. Now again, keep in mind too that the Globex level was what was that low? It was 94.25. So anything that goes above right now, anything that goes above 99, 70 from that, 700. Any little rally puts me in profits on this too, so I'm not that worried about it. I can put a cleaner chart up if you guys want to see that instead. Here, let's give them a cleaner chart. Get rid of this stuff. I'll give a cleaner chart. Yes. Future E-mini. Turn off that chart trader. Here we go. You're going to give me some profits here.
Well, this market's playing nice today.
It's not doing horrible. I'm just got to try to figure out how to get rid of this. Oh, there it is. Here, cleaner chart for you guys. So you don't have to cringe over me being in that short or that long. And I'll do get that tick century on for you guys. Oh, it's on the wrong one. Come on. Okay, working on it, guys. There we go.
48,
Right, there we go.
26, 48.
A little cleaner chart for you guys so you don't have to look at all these orders I got up there.
I'm in a bid zone here on the NQ. I know that doesn't sound like.
Huh?
Never mind. It already did it. I was just saying I was in one of my bid zones here thinking this might bounce up, but it did. It did it without me. Never mind. Fuel-free generator. All right. Give me a.
You're engineering a fuel-free generator. What are you like? Is that called a tulip?
Get deposit energy every day.
I don't know, guys. Should I close my grid out?
It looks short to me, but I don't want to jinx you. So
Close my grid out in profits. I think I'm gonna close out in profits.
I would take the money and run because this thing looks like it wants to hook here. Well, let it get that second.
Let it get.
Yeah, let it get that other target.
Get me another
Yeah.
contract. Come on, baby.
I just have your thumb on the close button. If it doesn't get that other target, kill it. Kill it.
Yeah, I'm done.
Get out. Take the money and run.
That's a good one too.
Yeah, good call.
Well, I was looking at that bounce off of 494 from last night. That's why I wasn't that worried about that. Somebody bought the.
We are
bought
so
the crap out
simple
of
on
it.
traders, aren't we?
Huh?
I said we are so simple traders, aren't we?
Hey, what they did it before. Let's do it again.
Let's do it. Gee, there's a wild thought.
They bought from there before. Why don't we buy from there again?
I don't know.
Any runner music?
I'll keep doing that. Runner? Who wants runner music? Oh, I don't know if any.
You mentally bought 96. At least you were looking at it, Joe. I was looking at buying it.
96.
I was already in it.
I would have.
Already in, so
I said I was in a bid area here on the NQ and it bounced right off of it.
took off.
Yes. And ES followed right along with it. What's YM doing? I didn't even look at. I'm not even looking at YM.
I mean, I had a chance to look at YM today.
I haven't had a chance to look at it either.
Make money in the other end.
Who's trading
in Q and ES?
YM here? Anybody?
I mean, you've had some good trades this happened.
Yeah, it's set up. I'm looking at it right now. Looks like you're.
There's some good trades. I mean, if you took
short.
that pivot short or short from my level that I called it, that they played the level on the YM.
See you, Lulu.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 times the level I gave this morning. All for winners.
Lawrence is on the YM. All right, Lawrence. I'm looking, but
I'm looking.
Looks like it wants to keep going down.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the short. A little bit bigger risk, but I'm plenty.
Yeah, you got some money to burn though.
Big time green this morning, so original stops to 125. So let's see if it pushes down. If again, I'm taking a risk because I'm plenty green, guys. Not even kidding about this one. I may have jumped the gun on it, but I'm okay with it. If it gets me, it gets me. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Oh well. If you were still in a long from 90, anybody still in that long, you could be. Your stop would be at 96.75. If you're still in the long. All right, Lulu, have a good one. See you at 1. See you later. All right, it's 10:45. It's been a good morning, guys. Coach Brown, you took that trade just so you would have one loser for the day. It's probably the truth.
Yeah, Lawrence, I was just looking at that. You got a possible FTR setting up here. I like it. It's in a zone. Looks like it'll come down into that zone. I would wait. Just wait for like a clean, maybe an M or a 9, not a 9 tick, a 16 tick forming on a range chart. Actually, 16 tick might be too late. Maybe an M.
I don't think so. 16 tick would make a nice little M too on the tick chart.
Okay, you heard him. M or 16 tick.
Whichever comes first.
Wait for a hook. Watch that HMA too, Lawrence, because it's still pointing straight up.
And the ES would have gotten would be sitting right at my last contract. And it would have just got my last contract. No,
it'll probably turn right here.
Yeah,
it's gonna turn right here.
This is a good. I like this area as an area to look for a short, guys. I mean, technically, we should be looking for shorts right now. Based on our rules, we should be looking for shorts.
YM is short. YM setting up.
It is too. And
he's setting
NQ
up.
just revisited the area that
NQ's
really
back at the top. Yeah, back here again.
I could look for that. I could do that. I'm okay with that. Let's put an order entry line in. Let's see what happens. Let's put one in down here at what, 96?
I mean, you're getting an M on the M on. Yeah, 96 would have to be 96.
Yeah, and then
All right, Paul.
you get push
have a
out
good one.
now on the YM. That's a short, and if you get a little setup here on the ES, that'll be a short. Nice job, Paul.
There's your entry. Oh, and it's coming up. Come on.
All right. And again, those of you guys on trial, thanks for being here. Hopefully you got to see a little bit of what we do. Schedule a call with Coach Paul and chat with us about what we can do to help you out. And we're happy to walk you through. Again, you got
short.
Most of the people on trial. You got another few more days with us to get to see the magic show. Now it's time
to enjoy the shoe. Welcome to the shoe.
Joke time.
Yeah, we'll tell some jokes too.
See, that's the beauty.
Are we going to get the Crable on finally on?
I can't trade. I've had too many trades this morning.
I have to take it.
Go ahead.
I have to take it.
But again, I mean, look, what I take three trades yesterday morning, max. Yeah,
there it goes.
3 trades.
Come on, baby. That's all you're going to give me? Just a scalp?
That grid on the ES. That was the idea all morning long, and I chickened out on it. All I had to do was leave the grid on the ES on, and it would have printed money this morning, wouldn't it?
Oh yeah.
It would have been a $3,500 morning if I just left that grid on. And I knew today was going to be like that too. Joe, you're supposed to tell me to leave the grid on, buddy. Remember we talked about it.
It's all your fault, Joe.
I'm going to blame Joe.
All your fault,
Joe. All Joe's fault.
Joe's fault today. We're a good room. We blame our members.
I left Joe's house. I was like, next time we have an inside range bound day, tell me to turn the grid on. He said, "Will do." I did. I talked myself out of it 3 times this morning. I should have just left it on. That's why we built the program, right? For days like today.
That's right. Today the grid, yeah, Tix Entries.
Anything you did today,
print money today. You could have. That's what I said earlier. Remember what I said earlier? And Manny was talking about. We were talking about front running. You can use Tix Entry to front run these levels all day long today, and you would have made money. You'd have printed it big time. Megan, I'm long here at the Crable break. I got my first target off, so this may be just a small loss because I'm holding it back. Yeah, I'm going to take a small loss on this one. No, maybe not.
I don't know.
I mean, I could get out with a win right now if I wanted to, but I just don't care. Yep.
Yeah, I was going to say, I think this is a short.
It's all right. It's going to break this, though, at some point. And when it does, it's going to go to the moon, Alice.
There's another, well, I mean, at some point, it may not be while we still have the room open this morning. There's another one on the ES from the same level, all morning long from the same level. These shorts are coming all morning. Huh? Are you still holding all that long?
No, I'm out.
Okay.
I broke even. I think I lost like $10.
Oh, okay. Easy to take profit. I don't normally do that though, Joe. I normally stick to my plan and say, you know what, this is going to be a range bound day. Turn on the grid both directions and let it print money for me.
Telling you this thing's going to break.
Okay.
I'm telling you.
I was just going to say somebody just walked. There's a certain furry creature that just walked up to me for pets. So
Okay, well then
I don't want to burst your bubble.
I can't go against that.
I don't want to burst your bubble.
I mean, Megan, that's what I'm looking for, but this is not an A+ setup. Let's just say that.
Uh-huh.
So if you're doing this, it's because you got a few ticks to burn, because this could go against you.
I'm literally just kicked myself.
And with the dog walking in the room, that
with Grace,
that doesn't give me a lot of confidence.
There's a little pucker factor when Grace walks in. If you're in a long, Grace walks in, you're like, oh, I don't know.
Grace, when the dog walks in and you're in a long, that's when you start chewing your nails.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, I was looking at the short from their stretch, from that level. But again, like I said, I'm done for the morning. I'm plenty green. I'm going to take a break here and get a walk in with the dog. Speaking of, after we get done, and go to the beach for a few minutes, and then come back and teach a class. Yeah, the short's coming, guys. The short's coming. Somebody's going to try to take stops on the NQ, and then it's going to short, and then the ES should be, if you're not short already, you're kind of chasing at this point. Noon, 12 Eastern, noon Eastern, guys. Targets off on the ES short. Anybody do it? You know what class is going to be about today, guys? Good job, Stretch, Todd. There you go, Jockab. You guys know what that 950? That's probably not a bad entry, really. 950? Great entry there, Jim. Good job, bud. Now hold the trade, Jim. Don't get out. Don't get spooked. You have targets off. Got it? We'll call some stops in a second. You should be in a guaranteed win trade. Anybody want to know what class is about? You guys, somebody just say, please ask me what class is about today. Okay, good, Jim.
That's it. How to make a good old fashioned.
No, but close.
Bitters, orange.
Any guesses on class? Somebody can guess it because
Why no lose right now?
Guess class today because we're going to go over
smoke. Yeah, I got to have that, Travis.
A little smoke on it. Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys are talking about old fashions.
Yeah, we're talking about old fashions.
Nobody wants to go.
Jim wants to know why he's in a no lose right now.
Nobody wants to know anything. Class, we don't need that. We need to stinking learn something.
Where'd you get in at, Jim?
You can do a stop of 9 even now, guys. 9 even. It could be your stop. Yeah. All right. That should put everybody in a profit. Leave it at 9 even. Leave it there. Just leave it there.
950. Okay, well, put it at 9 and you're locking in profit.
Yeah, 9 even. And everybody that's in the short, 9 even. You'll be good. Okay. Tom, what's class going to be about today? He better know. He better know.
He just got yelled at about it. He better know.
I was going to do a different topic.
I told you guys it was going to break up. I told you.
Eventually. Yeah, that's why I moved the stop. Had you guys move your stop.
Table break is a winner. Winner dinner.
Yep. And Tom's going to teach it. With my help. He's gonna tell us what he did wrong on that trade, aren't you, Tom?
Yeah. Anybody go? Megan, did you go long? Told you it wasn't an A+ setup. Told you it was a riskier trade, but it worked out. Or were you waiting for your pivot short? I'm just not sold on shorts right now.
I'm not sold on taking another trade right now.
Well, that too. That's probably the smartest thing to do, but never.
I want to keep harassing Tom for a little bit longer.
Never been known to be the smartest one in the room, so we'll see.
It's all right. I mean, no, you probably have the long. That push up says that the long setups are probably in order now, so you can do that.
I mean, I'll be honest with you. I like the 77, the 26 here because it's back at the range high at the orb breakout. It's also got the 89 coming up. Money line's coming up on it. So
To do it, I'm not gonna do it. I'm done trading. I said I was done. I'm done.
those of you that are still trading, I mean, and you have Tick Entry, I would have it armed at right at the break of the Crable. That'd be your first entry with a 26 add in and a money line add in. That should get you a target.
You're almost convincing me to do it.
Now I'm not telling Brian to do it.
Yeah, because
If Brian does it, don't do it.
if I do it, don't do it. Okay,
If Brian does it, don't take the trade. Because I guarantee you we will lose.
That was a good run of bad luck, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was a good run of bad luck.
3 weeks where every trade I took of yours, the one I took.
The one trade he would take of mine was a loser. The one trade I'd call all day, it was a loser.
Just a good run of bad luck.
Take 30 winners. He takes one, and that's the losing one. So now, yeah, Megan, I like that, Megan. I like it. But again, it's late in the day. The big moves are gone. We just broke outside of the Crable break. We're around pivot. I mean, there's a lot of reasons why this is not an A+ setup.
And we got a couple of hours this afternoon we can trade.
So you got to ask yourself, where am I? Where am I profit-wise? Where am I? If you're red, this isn't a trade for you. If you've got a little extra and this sets up nicely, yeah, I think it's a possibility. And so much so that I'm actually gonna
switch my mindset. What's the mindset? What mindset is she gonna change?
Oh, you talking about from short to long?
Oh, she has her. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Here's the deal. Take your time doing that. Take your time. Again, look at this too. Bigger term trend is still short on the longer term trend, guys. We have nifty little tools that literally has a red box in the top corner, whether your longer term trend is short or long.
What do you think about adding that to Tick Entry?
Yeah, add that to Tick Entry. That'd be easy. Actually,
the little button that shows trend up or down.
Yeah.
Should I talk to them about
you
that?
have money line trend, and then you have the bigger term trend. That actually would be pretty cool.
So we can see the bigger term trend.
I would like to have it on the one.
We can put it on the new one too. Yeah.
That
I could make that happen.
We need to have a conversation on that. You know what? I've got to do a meeting when you're. I guess you guys are doing the meeting.
Yeah, I'll say not this morning. That's not going to happen. I'm booked solid.
No, but aren't y'all doing a meeting with?
Yes, we are.
Okay, let me come in at the end of that then, and
okay, but
talk about.
I have right after that, so we can do that, but
okay.
I can't stay long. Is what I'm trying to say.
Oh, Todd, I'm moving Todd. Okay, let's just do it tomorrow then. We'll do it tomorrow. Let's just do it tomorrow.
Nice, Michael. Yeah, everything pointed that, right? That's a good read, dude. That's a really good read. Absolutely spot on.
What'd Michael say?
He's just telling me about the trade he's in. I'm too lazy to type. So I'm just gonna talk to him.
Yeah. I do that all the time.
Yeah.
Private message.
I mean his Westy. I don't know why he lost Westy. We got to call
him Westy too.
Boy, Michael.
And we have another Michael. So
I don't know why we lost Westy. But Westy's analysis of his trade was spot on, perfect. Guys, it was a long.
Probably.
Told you, Megan. Did you take it right off the Crable top? Bounce came back and pushed. Look, we broke. It's been trying to It's been trying to break all morning, right? It never got up there. Broke through, pulled right back to it, and did what? Took off. 30-minute opening range, high and low. We call it Crable because it was the guy that came up with. His name was something Crable, right?
Yeah, whatever his name is.
Stay long NQ 20.
Spencer Crable.
Yeah, there you go. That's exactly what he's saying.
That's not really his name.
It's Jimmy Spencer, Jimmy Crable.
Jimmy Crable.
Call him JC for short.
Oh, no. That's too close to Kimmel. Oh, All
Plus,
right.
there's a bull flag took profit overnight. So yeah, dude, everything when your boxes check, guys, when your boxes check like that, just have confidence and take the darn trade.
And I'm done. I think we should be done for the morning.
I mean, and honestly, it's
we
11
got
o'clock.
class today. We
Yeah.
got premiere this afternoon. We got a lot going on.
All
Let's
right.
call it a morning.
Let's call it a morning, guys. We're done. Wrap it up. Thank you, everybody. It's
Good
great
job.
morning.
Again, if you're on trial with us, please schedule a time to chat with one of us. We'll be happy to help you out. And good job this morning, guys. Great job, everybody.
Hold this long NQ, guys.
Yeah,
It's going to creep up.
Yes, we're in queue. Staying along, guys.
It's going to creep up. Nice, Lawrence. Good job, buddy.
All right. Good job, Lawrence. Todd, great job. Megan, great job. Guys, great job today. Michael, Westy. I'm just going to call him Westy.
Megan, good job today. Good job every day, but good job today.
Great job. Thank you, guys. Juan, great job, buddy. Good job, guys. Joe, you did okay. Tom, I'm mad at you. All
right. Shoot, I got to go, guys.
Let's roll. Let's get out of here, guys. Thank you.
All right.
I'm going to try to jump in that meeting with you guys here in a few minutes after I get off this call.
All right. Bye, everybody. See you in the morning. Wait, we got news in the morning. We do, right?
We do have, yes.
All right. See you guys in the morning.
Tomorrow morning news. Let's do some news.
Thanks, Lawrence. Have a good one, Megan. Everybody, Juan, Jim, Michael.
Employment.
All use.
Non-farm 8:15. Get ready to be here early, guys.
Be here. Bells on. Bye.
Be here. Thank you. Bye, everyone. Appreciate y'all. See you tomorrow. If you're not coming to premiere, go to class, Lawrence. 12 Eastern. Go to class, guys. Today's going to be valuable. We're going to do trade management. Got to do it. All right. Who else going to class? Everybody should be saying I. If you can't be there, listen to class on the mobile app. Download the mobile app, bud, if you're driving. All right, guys. See you in class. And then premiere. Download, Lawrence, get the mobile app on your phone. Yeah, so you can listen in for sure. Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you. Bye now. Closing down the room. I'm going to throw charts up in the Premier Clubhouse now. Obviously, not going to do anything with it until we get back to it, but throw them up now. See you guys. Everybody else, see you tomorrow morning. Be here for the news or be square. And everybody else, I'll see you in class and Premier this afternoon. Bye now.